नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल शिक्षा सखा पर। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ सेट 2 नवंबर 2023 क्लास 8 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश का प्रश्न पत्र। पहला प्रश्न है, व्हाट वाज यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ आउट द पॉइजन ऑफ द स्नेक? ए फॉन्स लिवर, बी does hearts and liver, C does brains and bones, D all of above। इसका सही उत्तर है बी does heart and liver। क्वेश्चन 2, चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस। वन शुड कीप वंस प्रॉमिस। A one's promises should be kept, B promises ought to be kept, C promises must be kept by one, D promises should be kept। इसका सही आंसर है D promises should be kept। प्रश्न 3, when did a little bird come hopping into Princess September's room? A when the princess was fast asleep, B when her maids of honor opened the window, C when she woke up in the morning, D when she was crying and was hungry। इसका सही आंसर है D when she was crying and was hungry। Question 4, Hafiz contractor said, I used to have this terrible nightmare। About which nightmare is he talking about? A. He is afraid of his school teachers. B. He is talking about carefree sleep. C. He is fond of night dreams. D. In his dream he is appearing for a maths examination where he did not know anything। इसका सही आंसर है D. In his dream he is appearing for a maths examination where he did not know anything। Question 5, change the following sentence into indirect speech। The teacher said to the boys, do not make a noise। A. The teacher asked the boys to not make a noise। B. The teacher requested the boys not to make a noise। C. The teacher forbade the boys to make a noise। D. The teacher shouted the boys to make a noise। इसका सही आंसर है द टीचर टोल्ड द बॉयज नॉट टू मेक एनी नॉइज। 4 क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन 6 to 10 डू एज डायरेक्टेड। 6 क्वेश्चन है, द मैटर वाज सीरियस डैश ही डिड नॉट कंप्लेन, सिट सूटेबल कंजक्शन, इसमें आएगा बट। क्वेश्चन 7, हु वाज फिरदौस कांगा, इसका आंसर है जर्नलिस्ट। क्वेश्चन 8, रोहित डैश मेक सच ए कमेंट, फिल सूटेबल एडवर्ब, इसमें आएगा नेवर पोलिटली। आगे है क्वेश्चन 9, हु इज द राइटर ऑफ द स्टोरी प्रिंसेस सेप्टेम्बर, इसका आंसर है विलियम सोमेरेस्ट मैघम। प्रश्न 10, शी डैश टू पास दिस टाइम, यूज एप्रोरिएट मॉडल, इसमें आएगा ऑट। आगे है क्वेश्चन 11, आई कुड फील हिज एंग्यूज, व्हाट कुड बी द एंग्यूश, इसका आंसर है हिज एंग्यूज कुड बी द हेल्पलेसनेस टू एक्सप्रेस सो मैनी थिंग्स विच लाई अनएक्सपेक्टेड in his mind because of his disability। Question 12, do you know I am a fighter? Who said these words to whom? And what is the name of the lesson from which the quote has been taken? इसका आंसर है Ranji said these words to Suraj। The name of the lesson from the fight the quote has been taken। क्वेश्चन 13, what was Mrs. Gupta advised to Hafiz contractor, what made her advise him so? इसका आंसर नीचे है Mrs. Gupta's advice to Hafiz contractor to become an architect, she advised him soon seeing his fine sketches। Question 14, read the following passage and answer the question given below। Is there any advice you can give disabled pupil? something that might help make life better. They should concentrate on what they are good at. I think things like the disabled Olympic are a waste of time. Question A. What is common between the speaker and the person he is talking to? इसका आंसर है The speaker and the person he is talking to more both handicapped. Question B. Whom did the speaker go to see? इसका आंसर है The speaker went to see Stephen Hawking, a famous scientist. Question C. What was a waste of time according to Stephen Hawking? इसका आंसर है Organizing Olympic Games for the Disabled. यहाँ पर हमारा इंग्लिश का प्रश्न पत्र पूरा हो गया है। आपको मेरी ये वीडियो कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।